Where is the scissor? Ako day permi ko ma-child policy sa una among sige na lang kog delete kung naay bata. Oh, but ako okay rati. Wala man nag-on sa YouTube nga bawal sa ako ang live. Sometimes gani ako on in the front of the screen, the live. Siguro we are friends kuan. We are friends in YouTube. Friends mini YouTube. To Filipino lady keeping me in their toilet, they put mask on me. I hope you're doing well, Miss Rochelle. I haven't seen you on live stream for a while. Man in van. Sige, day. Bye. Thank you, te. Thank you sa pag-join. Thank you for visiting my live. So, where is the scissor? Hello, very beautiful your place. Hi, Leonardo Salva. Because I think I'm here, Marmar. They feed me their... Stop commenting like that, Ryan. Hi, Marmar. Thank you for joining. Hi, family. So, let's open. This is my exciting part because I'm so excited to put new shoes because when I playing volleyball, I use my old shoes, very old. I hope it is already enough. Hi, beautiful host. Hi, Lovelyn Filipina in the Philippines. Welcome back again to my live. Where is the knife? Hi, everyone. Hello, Miss Lovelyn. Man in van. You can join me to count, guys. Hello, ma'am. Unsa naman na sis? I have a piggy bank, sis. Then because I have things that I want. I seen pair of shoes in the town that I really like to use it in our volleyball game because we have a volleyball game. Then we play 4 times. Then I think next day we have a volleyball game again. So that this piggy bank is almost 3 months. But this is only if I have a coins, a change from the sari-sari store, I will put it here in my piggy bank. Oh, wait. Lusad. So let's join me to count. This is all coins and there's one little paper. Oh my god, I wish it's enough.